Hello everyone and welcome to our Halloween special. I am Coding Mateus and I am Debugging Mateus, and today we're going to be talking about something spooky, although not in the literal way. We are going to be showing you Amazon Q Developer. That's right, Amazon Q Developer helps developers accelerate the workflow by generating code, unit tests, and Wait, did you invite someone else? No. Did you? No. Who is that?
Hello, Coding Mateus. Hello, Debugging Mateus. I want to play a game.
Oh, this is not happening.
You have 2 minutes to build. What's your favorite programming language?
Python, Java, script.
Rust. Build me a Hello World program using Rust in 2 minutes, or suffer the consequences. Make your choice.
What? I never done this in Rust before. Neither have I. But we can use Amazon Q Developer. Oh yeah, of course, duh. Let's just use Q to generate the code. We're going to open a Q chat panel, and I can do that in 2 ways. I can click here on this thing on the status bar, and then I can click on Open Chat Panel, or I can just go to this big button here on the side. That's what I'm gonna do. And now we can just enter a prompt. So how about we say, I need to create a Hello World application in Rust, but I've never used Rust before. Generate the code while explaining to me everything that it's doing. So add everything that it is doing. So much for prompt engineering, but that will do. Okay, cool. Let's expand this so we can read it better. Certainly, I'd be happy to help you. Let's go through it step by step. Cool. Great. He already gave me here a little Hello World function. Thing is, I don't even have a file right now, and I don't know where to put this. And it's not telling me this right now, right? I can scroll through it. Oh, there it is. Actually, it is. To use this code, save it in a file with a .rs extension. For example, helloworld.rs. Oh, thank you, Q. I was just about to do another prompt to say, how do I even get started with the file system? But as you can see, it already gave me everything that I needed. Now we can go up, and then we're going to insert this code at the cursor. There you are. Let's see what it does, right? So first of all, FN stands for function. Main is the entry point of the program, similar to other languages like C or C++. I love how it even prompts my thinking, because the moment I see main, I think, yeah, well, that's just like C. It already prompted my thought there. No pun intended, prompt my thought. Then we have the println hello world function. So that looks a bit funny, the exclamation mark. What's that about? Println exclamation mark is a macro in Rust, not a function. Macros are denoted by the exclamation after the name. Cool, already answered my question. When you run this program, it will output hello world to the console, expected. Okay, cool. How do we even run it though? Open a terminal and navigate to the directory containing the file. Compile the program using the Rust compiler by running rustc hello world. Okay, of course, if you don't have Rust installed, then you need to install that. Let's see if it compiles. It's thinking, and there you go. No output, so we're gonna trust it. What's next, Q? This will generate an executable file. Run it by typing current directory hello world on Unix-like systems like macOS, which is where I'm in, or hello world executable. As you continue learning Rust, you discover its powerful features like strong static typing, memory safety without garbage collection, and zero cost abstractions. Wow, that sounds good. And then it even gives me a few sources to go and dive deeper. Right, let's run this thing. Okay, first let's check if it actually generated anything. Yes, it did. Okay, so let's try to run it. Oh my God, we're almost done. And yes, it did it. Yes. Are we free now? Mysterious guest? Oh, yeah, hi guys. Deploying Mateus. I was a bit behind on making this demo, so I needed some help. Thanks though, it looks great. You scared the life out of us. Okay, you're forgiven, but next time just use Amazon Q Developer yourself from the start. Much easier. Happy Halloween, Q, and happy Halloween to everyone.